Hi, I've got a big problem with my 2020 Hyundai IONIQ. It's not charging. It actually now just does not engage charging at all. I've tried three different, chargers in quote marks, because the EVSEs aren't chargers, they're just relays that connect up. I've tried my home, first noticed it at my home with my home Zappy charger. It started charging this morning, and then it just sort of like, I think it was only at 5 kilowatts. I was trying to fast charge it at 7, but I thought it was the battery tapering thing going. But anyway, I've got this plugged in, and I've got this plugged into the 15 kilowatt, sorry, the 3 kilowatt charger, and nothing on the lights, absolutely nothing. It's at about, I think it's about 65 or 70% charge at the moment, but I've set it to 90% for the AC charge, and it does nothing. I haven't tried the, no, that's not even locked. That's not even locked in there. So I haven't tried the full CCS fast charger. I guess I could go do that, but no, there's something wrong with this, and I've tried the slow charger that comes with it, the genuine Hyundai charger, and it doesn't work. By charger, I mean it's an EVSE, of course, because the charger is built into the car, and it's just not accepting any charge. So yeah, this is the first major issue I've had with this, apart from that coolant thing, but that was a systemic thing. They had to replace the coolant in it. That was quite a large job, but apart from that, I haven't had a single issue with this thing. Never had a charging issue with it, and now it just simply refuses to accept any charge whatsoever from any AC source. So maybe it'll accept it from the DC, I don't know, but yeah, if you've seen or heard of this, I haven't looked at the forums yet to find out, but my Hyundai IONIQ 2020 electric has come a gutter, I'm afraid. So that's a real bummer. Geez, I don't know. It does, according to the indication on the dash, it does seem to be charging the battery from the regen. So when you brake, there's an indicator on the screen, like there's a bar graph that goes positive when you're using the battery, and then goes negative when you're charging it, when you're going downhill or you're braking or whatever, doing the regen. That shows that it's working. So maybe the regen part of it's working, but the AC charge controller in it is busted. So anyway, I'm going to have to read the forum, but forums. But if you've got any idea, if you own one of these and you've seen this or you know about this, please let me know, because yeah, this is not good. And ironically, we were just actually going to go out after lunchtime today and go look for a new or newish car to replace our 15-year-old Nissan Dualis Plus 2, which is getting absolutely ancient now. And yeah, and not to replace this. This is working fine, but now it's Kamagata, and it's out of factory warranty now. Although there is a 7-year factory battery warranty on it. Oh, the lights in the garage here just turned off. There is a 7-year battery warranty, but that, I believe that's only the battery wear. That's not the charger, because I think there's something wrong with the AC charger in this thing. Unbelievable. So yeah, luckily I do have like 180k still on it, so I can get around and if I need to, and then get it to a dealer for repairs. But yeah, there's something wrong. I don't know. If I try to turn it off and on again, how do you disconnect the 350 volt battery in it? I don't know. Catch you next time.